So in this Google Docs tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to use Google Gemini here on Google Docs. So once Google Docs is opened up, what I want you guys to do is go to the top right hand side of your screen and press on this star icon to where it says Try Gemini. Once you're here, you can go ahead and use Google Gemini to help do a bunch of different things here. So power up your productivity with AI features directly in the app, the apps you use every day. So create drafts and docs, plan projects quickly in Sheets. And if this all looks good to you, you can go ahead and try it out if you want. I'm not going to do it for this sake here because I don't need to go ahead and try it out. But if you want to go ahead and see how you can implement Google Gemini into your Google Docs as well as your Sheets, slides, etc. Go ahead, try it out this way and just kind of go from there. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can use Google Gemini here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.